Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2006 Nissan Navara STX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5104. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 12th month 2011. It has a VQ40 4 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. VQ40 4 litre V6 petrol engine. We have a set of XD series 16-inch alloy mags, aftermarket, all with average tyres. Left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch XD series alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate has a couple of dents. Tidy rear bumper bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Factory hard lid tonneau cover without the sports bar. Right rear 16-inch XD series alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has 6 small dents. Right power door mirror in chrome, and right front 16-inch XD series alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.